This is another episode between me and the doctors and the nurses. Everybody wants to open their mouth and say nonsense online. This might be the last video I'm doing about this. Check out all these drugs that are on the screen now. All these drugs that you're seeing are drugs that were bought about this carton. About three of these cartons were filled with drugs that were bought for an operation that doctor was not sure of. They said the person should do a test, and she did a test. And when they saw the result, they said she should do a scan. And when she did the scan, they said they have to do an operation. Okay, fine. No wahala. The person was ready for the operation. So the person went to the hospital. They told her throughout that period she is not supposed to eat anything solid, that she's supposed to get medicine that they will put a drip in her body so that it can serve as food. All these ones are the ones that are still remaining. She has taken over 20 of this, whatever I don't understand. She has taken over 20 of it. These are the ones that are left. So after 3 days or so, after 3 days, it's 3 days. The third day was the day they took her to the theater, right? The third day was the day they took her to the theater, saying they want to start the operation. When they got into the theater, that was when they discovered that the pain that she was feeling, she's no longer feeling the pain. So they said they will not be doing the operation again. Now ask yourself a question. All these drugs, they were not free. These things you're seeing here, they are over 100,000 naira altogether. They are over 100,000 naira. Now, wetin person wan use this thing do? As a doctor, are you not supposed to make sure you know what you are operating before you start telling person to buy this and buy that? When I talk now, somebody will come to my screen and say trash. See, some of these doctors, I say it to you, some of these doctors are not doing this job because they love the job. They are not doing this job because they want to save life. What they care about is the kind of money they want to make. So in the process, I have a friend who lost her life because they were covering her body and they forget to sew up some part of the body and she bleeded to death in the hospital. As a doctor, what is your main work? As in, why are you doing this particular job? You should ask yourself that question. Not to just wake up and say you want to be a doctor and you want to do it because you love the money. This particular profession is not supposed to be a profession that you do because you love the money. My name is Geetee. I don't want to talk more than that. I'm not going to make videos about this again. My name is Geetee and I'll see you in my next video.